Cissy Namaganda is in our custody. She has been arrested. She's at Old Kampala Police Station. She has been arrested on charges of criminal trespass and obtaining money by false pretense. It's alleged that Cissy Namaganda used to work for Party, Uganda Development Company, and there reached a time the company decided to do away with her. But because I think she had worked with the company for long, she now knew the dealings of the company. She had the expertise, she had the knowledge. Within that company, she had also formed her own company. And she was now renting people. She would ask people for ground rent, could sell people houses. So what brought problems for her is the issue of Vino Mall in Kisenyi, where she sold a common place to one Joseph Sempala. That common place you are not supposed to put in a shop or erect a shop in it, but when he sold it to Joseph Sempala, Sempala decided to put a shop there, and that's how the party came and started questioning, this place is not supposed to be for shops, why are you putting a shop here? So when he produced the documents that he bought the place from Cissy Namaganda, the party decided to go to Old Kampala to register a case, which case was opened. Both parties, the complainant, the suspect, recorded a statement. We gathered our evidence, put it in the file, and forwarded to State Attorney. So the State Attorney has now read the file and given a legal opinion that Cissy Namaganda should be produced in court on 2 counts. 1, criminal trespass, and 2, obtaining money by false pretense. So on Monday, very early in the morning, we shall take Cissy Namaganda to court to appear in court for plea taking.